problem, so I'm gonna have to fill it up before I go back to the track.
That was amazing, though.
You liked it?
Oh, of course. Cool.
All right.
This is an absolute beauty.
So what do you think of? What was the most impressive part of the car?
Probably, I want to say the amount of grip.
The grip, really?
For the tire to grip ratio, it's crazy.
Right.
I was not expecting that much grip out of the classic.
Right. You figured it was supposed to slide more and
Yeah, I mean, I know some classics. You dive into a corner and you have to fight the wheel a little bit as the car is sliding out.
Yep.
And I saw you do that a little bit, but on initial turn-in grip, it just sticks.
It goes, yeah.
And I think that's probably partly due to just the amazing engineering, of course, even back then.
Oh yeah. I mean, and if you think about this, the suspension in this car is from 1963.
Yeah.
Right. So the suspension in this car is 50 years old, and it's competing pretty well with like new stuff. Right. I mean, these guys are faster, you know.
Yeah.
But I'm driving really well too. So a guy like maybe if I was driving their car, that might just completely destroy this thing.
Oh yeah. I'd like to see you inside one of the Z01 1LEs.
You're right. That would probably kick a lot of ass. I'm sure I would. Yes.
That car is a monster.
Yeah. So you have to get out. So you pull on this. It feels flimsy, like it's going to break.
This? Oh
yeah. Just keep pulling slow on it and it'll open up.
Which way? This?
Yeah, just pull it. Yeah, pull it. Yeah. It flexes and it moves. It feels flimsy, but it's never broken. As everybody goes through it, they pull on it and they feel it give a little bit. They don't want to break it.
Yeah.
So yeah, just tell them just pull it easy.
I'm sure some Porsche guys replace that with like a metal piece.
There is. There's aluminum ones, but then it's like they're a lot of money, whatever. Just wait till it breaks.
You might have to take apart your entire door.
Right. And I've never broken it, so it works fine with it.
Yeah. Work it until it breaks, and then when it breaks, upgrade it.
Yep.
That's always my rule for my car. When it breaks, just upgrade it.
Because then it justifies you spending the money on something too, you know.
Exactly.
But the brakes in this car are unbelievable, aren't they?
Yeah.
Like
And also the other thing that I absolutely love about this car is just the flutter of the turbo in between gears. I mean, that's always been a childish thing for me. I always loved that sound. We have a turbo car at home, and it was fluttering until we fixed the turbo issue that it had with it. Then now it doesn't flutter anymore.
Yeah, because normal people don't want to hear that in their street car, so the engineers don't design a car to do that. But since it's a race car, I don't care how loud it is. Here's my student, so I gotta go.
Alrighty.
All right, buddy.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, man. You're welcome.
That was awesome.
Yep. I'll see you. Keep in touch. Send me an email.